Dive into the flagship build from SoFlo Customs, the 2026 SoFlo Stallion Edition Bronco. This isn't your average Ford Bronco. It's transformed into a trail-dominating, head-turning monster with standout styling, insane off-road capability, and unbeatable value. Priced around $77,500 to $81,000 depending on specs, these custom Broncos feature powered by the punchy 2.3-liter EcoBoost, 275-plus horsepower, ready for trails, beaches, or highways. From rugged off-road adventures to coastal cruising, the SoFlo Stallion blends vintage-inspired muscle with modern tech for the ultimate open-air 4x4 experience. Key highlights. Hood. SoFlo Stallion. Hood. Muscular sculpted design for that signature aggressive muscle look. Front bumper. Baja front bumper with integrated LED cube lights. Rugged, functional, and ready for serious trails. Headlights. SoFlo. Halo headlights. Iconic signature LED glow, crisp and commanding visibility. Grille. Raptor-style Bronco. Grille. Modern, ultra-aggressive identity that turns heads instantly. Lighting. LED cube pods, plus switch pod. Accessory control system. Seamless off-road illumination with clean, integrated control. Tires, 37 inches. Tesh tires. Aggressive tread, premium ride quality. Rims, 20 inches. Apoc bronze wheels. Deep lip, bold off-road styling. Lift, 3.5 inches. Suspension, increased stance and trail capability. Steps, Nerf. Step bars. Strength, style, and everyday convenience. Rear bumper. Solid rear bumper with integrated cube lights. Color. Kevlar tan armor finish. Ultra durable, weatherproof, scratch-resistant finish. Trim. SoFlo Stallion Edition. Top, color-matched factory, hardtop. Step inside the 2026 SoFlo Stallion Edition Bronco, where rugged off-road capability meets premium, weather-ready luxury. SoFlo Customs elevates the Ford Bronco's cabin with handcrafted, high-end touches that make every drive feel like first class, whether you're conquering trails or cruising daily. Push-button start. 12-inch LCD center stack. Touchscreen with Sync 4. Wireless Apple. CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Digital instrument cluster. Terrain management system with GOAT modes. Custom King Ranch brown with black accent and tan. Diamond, stitched leather interior. Rear AC and heat ducts. Cruise control. Rear view camera,